Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to activate evolution cards in Clash Royale. Firstly, you need to unlock evolution shards. Evolution cards require evolution shards to unlock. You can earn them through events and challenges, past Royale rewards, and special offers in the shop. Now, to evolve a card, you must already own and upgrade its base version. Make sure the base card reaches the required level for evolution. Now open your card collection and tap on the card that has an evolution available. Press Evolve and spend the required evolution shards, and the evolution version of the card will now be unlocked. Go to your battle deck and replace the normal card with the evolution version. During a match, the card will evolve after being played a set of number of times. For example, skeletons evolve after 2 plays. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.